Hello guys, welcome back to Flossom Fam. Today I'm going to review this heat protectant spray from Bare Anatomy. So firstly, speaking about the packaging, it is a matte finish kind of bottle which is grey in color. It comes with such small cap and it has nozzle so that you can spray it. I'll just spritz on my hand. You can see the consistency is kind of liquidy. The packaging is more minimalistic, but yet it looks so good. When I bought this from Nika, it costed rupees 500 to me, and the bottle is 150 ml. Also, they claim that this heat protectant spray helps in controlling frizz, damage repair, and can be used on all hair types. And also, the main thing is that they claim this is alcohol free and it provides heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is a great thing. Not only from heat, but also it protects your hair from UV rays. The main reason I use heat protectant spray is because I always use heat styling tools on my hair. I know it's not a good thing, but it's my kind of guilty pleasure. So this product really have saved me from damaging my hair because of heat tools. I genuinely like this heat protectant spray. There are several heat protectant sprays, but I didn't know which one to buy. But when I saw this one from Bare Anatomy, I thought I'll give it a try. But it didn't disappoint me. It really protected my hair from all the heat damages, because initially I used to not use heat protectant spray and it caused split ends and all those damages. But once I started using this heat protectant spray, my hair is not prone to any such damages or split ends. In fact, I'm really impressed by this product. I would say it's 9 out of 10. Only one downside I feel about this is I feel this is bit of heavy when I apply it to my hair. I want more like, kind of lightweight kind of formulation, because I don't want my hair to become greasy very soon after my hair wash. And also they claim that it is dermatologically tested, paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free, and it is vegan. I would say the main intention behind using any heat protectant spray is because it kind of forms a protective layer around or on your hair strands, so that it doesn't let your hair to get damaged by any heat tools or by UV rays. Also, it has vitamin E in it, which is really a good thing. If you're planning to buy this heat protectant spray from Bare Anatomy, then definitely you can try this. I highly recommend this. They say this is a spray, but once you spray this thing, it doesn't feel like a spray because the formulation is bit thick in consistency, so it feels like some serum or kind of cream. I'll show you how I use this heat protectant spray once I wash my hair. I'll just use one pump to my half side of the hair. I'll rub it and distribute the product throughout my hair. Usually I like to use heat protectant after my hair wash because I usually style my hair after my hair wash. Again, I'll spritz one more pump and then start using it on my other side of my hair. Make sure to apply everywhere. Don't focus more on your roots. Now I'll start combing my hair to evenly distribute the heat protectant. Even you can use heat protectant on dry hair or even before styling from any heat tools. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.